For today's video, guys, I will talk about the extremely effective process of growing and developing eggplant trees. What if I told you that one of the most underestimated crops in modern agriculture is quietly outperforming expectations in yield, resilience, and efficiency? Eggplants, often mistaken for delicate garden vegetables, follow a growth process so effective and adaptable that it continues to surprise commercial growers and home farmers alike. Today, we are uncovering why the process of growing and developing eggplant plants is not only efficient, but remarkably strategic. And by the end of this video, you will understand why eggplants are becoming a silent powerhouse in sustainable food production. What is the origins of efficiency of eggplants? Eggplants originate from tropical and subtropical regions, where survival depends on fast establishment and efficient use of sunlight, nutrients, and water. This evolutionary background explains why eggplants respond so well to structured growing systems. From the moment the seed germinates, the plant prioritizes strong root development and rapid leaf expansion, which sets the foundation for high productivity later in the season. This early efficiency reduces wasted energy and allows the plant to adapt quickly to its environment. What is the germination and early growth process of this plant? During germination and early growth, eggplants demonstrate one of their most effective traits, which is predictable and uniform development. When grown in warm soil with adequate moisture, seedlings emerge consistently and establish thick stems that support long-term fruiting. This reliability is highly valued by farmers because it simplifies planning, spacing, and nutrient management, reducing losses at the earliest and most vulnerable stage of growth. Next is the vegetative expansion of eggplants. As eggplants enter their vegetative phase, their efficiency becomes more visible. The plants expand outward rather than excessively upward, creating a balanced canopy that maximizes sunlight absorption while minimizing shading. This growth pattern improves photosynthesis and allows energy to be evenly distributed throughout the plant. In practical terms, this means eggplants convert sunlight into biomass with minimal waste, which is one reason they perform so well in both open fields and protected environments. Here comes the flowering dynamics of the plants. Flowering is where eggplants quietly demonstrate their agricultural intelligence. Each plant produces flowers in a steady, sequential pattern rather than all at once. This staggered flowering reduces stress on the plant and increases the likelihood of successful pollination. From a grower's perspective, this translates into a longer harvest window and more stable yields, rather than unpredictable surges followed by decline. Next is how's the fruit development efficiency of the plant? Once pollination occurs, eggplant fruit development follows a remarkably direct path. Unlike crops that require excessive thinning or correction, eggplants naturally regulate fruit size and spacing along their branches. This self-balancing behavior allows the plant to allocate nutrients efficiently, producing firm, uniform fruits with minimal intervention. I often find it fascinating and slightly humbling that a plant can manage resource allocation better than some human-designed systems. How's the root system and soil interaction of the plants? Beneath the soil, eggplants develop fibrous yet expansive root systems that efficiently extract water and nutrients without excessive competition. This root structure supports sustained fruiting over long periods and allows the plant to recover quickly from environmental stress. It is one of the reasons eggplants respond exceptionally well to compost-rich soils and controlled irrigation systems, making them ideal for modern sustainable farming practices. Next is how's the resilience and stress response of the plants. Eggplants also excel in resilience. When exposed to heat, moderate drought, or pruning, the plant adjusts growth rather than shutting down production. This adaptive response is a hallmark of efficient biological systems. Instead of sacrificing fruit quality, eggplants redirect energy and maintain output, which explains their popularity in regions facing climate variability. The harvest cycles and productivity of eggplants. Harvesting reveals the final proof of efficiency. Eggplants produce continuously rather than all at once, allowing growers to harvest multiple times from the same plant. This reduces labor spikes and increases total yield per plant over the season. In my opinion, this trait alone makes eggplants one of the most economically sensible crops for small and large producers alike. Even though they rarely receive that recognition, lesson of the plants taught the real lesson behind the eggplant's effectiveness is not just about yield, but about intelligent design. Every stage of growth, from seed to harvest, prioritizes balance, adaptability, and resource efficiency. This is why eggplants continue to thrive where other crops struggle, quietly proving that simplicity and strategy often outperform complexity. At the beginning of this video, I hinted that one of the most underestimated crops might be outperforming expectations, and now the answer is clear. Eggplants are not merely surviving in modern agriculture. They are excelling through an exceptionally effective growth and development process that aligns perfectly with the future of sustainable farming. The final verdict is simple and evidence-based. Eggplants represent one of the most efficient, resilient, and adaptable crops available to growers today. Their growth process minimizes waste, maximizes productivity, and responds intelligently to environmental challenges, making them a model plant for both commercial agriculture and home. Gardening. If you found this exploration insightful, informative, or surprisingly eye-opening, leave a comment and support the channel by liking this video, sharing it with fellow growers, and subscribing for more deep dive agricultural insights. Your engagement helps bring practical, science-backed farming knowledge to a wider audience, and it keeps conversations like this growing.